Hey, tomorrow is Mr. Joshi's farewell party.
Yeah, I know. Poor Joshi, sir. He might have to work after retirement.
Happy retirement, Mr. Joshi.
Thank you. Thank you. Mr. Joshi seems so happy. I think he got a job already.
Yeah, probably.
Hello guys, enjoying yourselves? Yes sir, very much.
Joshi, sir, what is your plan after retirement? Have you already got a job?
Oh no, I am not going to do any job now. I will be enjoying my free time from now on. First I am going on a world trip, then we'll do lots of shopping and have fun with my grandchildren.
But sir, how are you going to manage all the expenses? Shouldn't you be saving money now?
Actually, I started investing at a very young age. Now I can simply retire with enough savings to enjoy all the upcoming years. Sir, what is the right age to start for retirement planning? For retirement, the sooner you start is better. Refer this. It helped me to build my retirement corpus. Plan your retirement today with SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, in Equity Mutual Fund.